Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So today I am back with another tutorial video of how you can turn on and off phone calendar sync with your iCloud. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and open up your mobile phone settings on your iPhone. And once you open it, you can see your Apple ID like right before when you just open it. And go ahead and tap on your Apple ID right here. So once you tap on it, you can see the options iCloud. Go ahead and tap on it. So when you tap on iCloud, you will be appear with many options. Now go ahead and tap on show all. So when you tap on it, you can see the option on the top written that manage how apps and features on this phone sync with iCloud. So when you scroll down, you can see the option iCloud calendar. So as you click on it, so as you can see, it is turned on my device. So in order to disable it, you can just tap on it and it will be disabled. So yeah guys, this is how you can turn on or off phone calendar sync with iCloud. If you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.